Molweni, wherever you are, Sanas. Hey, Sanas, welcome back to yet another weekly vlog. I know it's been a while, but guess silapa, I'm not gonna be, silapa. So today is a Sunday, and I've been indoors the entire weekend, and I am tired. I am here, so I'm just gonna go on a solo date. I've been meaning to watch Sinners, and I was like, actually, I really want to watch this movie, and I want the cinema experience. So we are going to the movies. Masambe get chomi.
I met him when I was a little girl. He gave me poetry. He was my first. But in my heart I knew I wasn't the only one. Gone when the tables turned. He had to break, but whenever I got lonely, I made a stop.
Funny thing is that I am really craving ice cream, and I just got my tickets, but I really want ice cream, so I think I'm gonna get it. Ice cream stairs or something while I wait. I think I've got 1 minute left. I just finished watching the movie Sinners. Yo guys, it's so scary. It was such a scary movie, but it was a good one. If you are looking for a movie to watch, then Sinners is the one. But I think the other movie that I really want to watch is The Accountant 2, which is interesting. I've watched one, so now I really want to watch Accountant 2, so most probably I'll watch that soon. Another day, another vlog. So today it is essentially Wednesday, and tomorrow it is Thursday. I am currently meal prepping for so what day is it today? I'm currently meal prepping for tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. Yeah, so I'm currently meal prepping for those 2 days, and then I'm currently meal prepping for these 2 days. So I'm currently making carrots with broccoli and beans, and then I'm also gonna have ox liver. The meal prep that I made earlier on this week is done, and yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I just got back from the gym. I'm a bit tired, but I have to push through, and then later on I've got to continue working a bit, because yeah guys, corporate silap, it's got us on chokehold. Deadlines have got us on chokehold, but it's fine, we'll get through it. Yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing Wednesday. You guys are having a productive Wednesday. Yeah, comment in the comment section and let me know how's your week going. Is it a good? Give a thumbs up if it's going good, a thumbs down if you're not having a great week. We're all in this together. Corporate, guys, is not easy, but I always tell people that if you are in corporate, you do not make corporate your end all and be all. Try to have routines outside of corporate or outside of your job. Try to have a working out routine. Try to build friendships, and yeah, so on and so forth. So I've been trying to navigate a routine again, because yeah, before I used to have a routine, morning routine and afternoon routine. Like mornings I'd go out for my walk, and then as well as in the afternoon. But now I am so busy, but I'm being so intentional about going to the gym after work. Yeah, so intentional about that. So I hope you guys also have a routine. See you guys tomorrow.
You spark a different kind of sweet When Ezaphala sabaningi ngoma zothando. You spark a different kind of sweet and me like that, yeah. When I'm putting you somewhere. Did you know? Mungu muto muyanyanga. Did you know? You're my remedy, my life goes right. When I feel like all Dr. Mending on my arm, my pillow to go there, I'll only ever be your shortness. I'm a bangers, cause I'm a good nigga, the mess. I'm gonna get paid, oh, but when I you're the remedy, I'm more rapid, then I'm a pain that you're good, don't go away. I don't go away.
Guys, I'm only able to open up this vlog today now. I just got back from a morning swim, guys. I feel like I've unlocked a different level. Hybo, guys, if people do this, Hybo, wake up in the morning and go and swim. At first I was like, but let's rock, let's ride. It's amazing. I feel so rejuvenated, guys. I think if you have an opportunity to, definitely go for a morning swim. I get the obsession, and I think I'm just about obsessed here. We were there, we went to Muizenberg Beach. There's like tidal pools over there, so we went there at like 6:30. We got there, we watched the sunrise, we were swimming. The water was so nice and warm. Hybo, guys, it's soft life, soft girl, soft living. Hybo, it was so amazing. Like, it was amazing. I would recommend anyone that would be essentially interested in it to definitely go for it. And then after that, we took a walk. We went for breakfast. After breakfast, we went to check out the thrifting stores that were close by. I've never been to southern suburbs or Muizenberg side. It was my first time heading over there. I've been in Cape Town for almost 10 years. Actually, yeah, 10 years this year, and it was my first time going to the southern suburbs. I am obsessed, okay, guys. But okay, today is a Saturday, and it is like just after 12, and I'm currently doing my washing, and I feel so accomplished, guys. I feel so accomplished. If there's one thing about me, I don't mind doing washing, but the one problem that I really don't like, or the one thing that I really don't like, is folding my washing and putting it back in my wardrobe. And we have a lady that helps us on Tuesdays every second week to like clean and like tidy up the place, but now she's on leave. She's in Zim and she's only coming back in June, and that is why I'm cleaning. That is why I am folding my own clothes, because normally I wash my clothes and then she folds them and puts them back in my closet. But now, oh, son. Today's Sunday. Welcome back to yet another day in this vloggy vlog. The last time I spoke to you was yesterday after the morning swim. Guys, I was so tired after. This is not dry. I was so tired after. I got back, worked like a crazy person, worked up until around 4:30, and then I went to my room, and I was like, no man, let me just take like a 2-hour, no, not 30-minute nap, so that I can maybe continue with work. Tell me, why did I sleep up until 9:30? And my boyfriend was calling me because Galok, I'm not answering. I haven't been talking to him the entire time, and he's sending me text messages. You know that thing where you fall asleep in someone's WhatsApp, and then every message that you send, it just reads as like you are reading the messages. And then he was concerned, Shem, he was very concerned. He's like, are you okay? Where are you? Like, what's going on? And I'm like, yo, dude, I fell asleep. Because I'm always on my phone, always texting back. Fell asleep. And I'm like, yo, what time is it? She's like, it's 9:30. I'm like, damn. That wasn't the plan. The plan wasn't to sleep, but I just slept I woke up, I ate, and then I went back to bed. That's how tired I was. And if he hadn't called, I think I would have woken up today, in all honesty. But it was a good kind of tired, because I feel like I've been going, and I haven't given my body like some rest. So I feel like I needed that rest, and then I slept, and then I woke up today at 7. So yeah. So on today's agenda, I will be meal prepping for this week again, because it's Sunday. It's gonna be a very busy week for me this week, so I will be meal prepping, and yeah, I'll take it from there. So let's clean this house, finish up this folding these clothes, and then we shall start meal prepping. So this is my meal prep for tomorrow, and this is for Tuesday, and then this is for today. Then again on Tuesday I'll cook again something different. Guys, so today it is Monday. It is the day after Sunday. Yesterday I went to the solo date, and I went to go watch a movie. Then I came back and I rested. So I went to work today this morning, and I just got back from the gym. So the one thing I've been trying to really avoid at the gym is to weigh myself. And today I weighed myself, and I am officially 11 kgs down. You know, and I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I feel way lighter, way better. Obviously the contributing factor is the way that I've been eating. Meal prepping has been the key. High protein intake has been the key. Limiting my snacks. Snacking on fruits instead. Instead of a normal Coke, I drink a Coke Zero or a Coke Light. Those are the minor adjustments that I've done, but I've been eating everything and anything, but in moderation. So I'll meal prep from Sunday to Thursday, 4 days straight. I'll eat healthy. Friday and Saturday, those are my free days, like free open days. And then Sunday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah. So basically 5 days out of the week I'll eat healthy with my meal preps and stuff. And then Friday and Saturday I'll eat whatever I feel like eating, but in moderation. I do drink alcohol, I do eat snacks, I do eat cakes, I eat everything. But yeah, with that being said, okay guys, take your body and your health seriously. I just got back home from the gym, and I wanted to share the good news with you guys. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow I will be at the gym again, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like a morning session or an afternoon session. But I think I like afternoon sessions because it helps me like wind down after work instead of a morning one. But we'll see. Maybe I'll try a morning one tomorrow, and then see what I'll be doing throughout the month of June. See you guys tomorrow.